Introduction. Welcome to Motor Cars Reviews. Today we're talking about one of India's most practical and fuel-efficient commuter bikes, the TVS Sport. Engine and performance. The TVS Sport comes with a reliable 109.7 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine designed for smooth city riding. It delivers practical power for daily commuting while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. The lightweight body makes it easy to handle in traffic, and the engine feels refined for everyday use. Mileage and efficiency. One of the biggest highlights of the TVS Sport is its impressive mileage. It offers around 70 to 75 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most fuel-efficient bikes in its segment. For daily office rides or college commutes, this bike helps you save significantly on fuel costs. Design and comfort. The TVS Sport features a simple yet sporty design with stylish graphics. It has a comfortable seat, upright riding posture, and lightweight frame, making long city rides stress-free. The suspension setup handles rough roads quite well for a commuter bike. Features. It comes with essential features like an electric start option, alloy wheels, a clear analog instrument cluster, and durable build quality. The bike focuses more on practicality and reliability rather than unnecessary extras. Pricing and final verdict. The TVS Sport is budget-friendly and offers great value for money. If you are looking for an affordable, low-maintenance, and high-mileage bike for daily commuting, the TVS Sport is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Motor Cars Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bike and car reviews.